You see me shooting like a star, baby. Didn't want me when I'm down, and now you want me lately. See that money stacking up, and now you acting crazy. See that money stacking up, and now you acting crazy. You see me shooting like a star, baby. Didn't want me when I'm down, and now you want me lately. See that money stacking up, and now you acting crazy. See that money stacking up, and now you acting crazy. Yeah, yeah. Now look at you, you're a fan. You didn't want me at my low, now you can see the glam.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jade, and I'm back with another video. It is nighttime right now. I'm really about to just like wipe all of this stuff off my face, but that's only because I forgot to record my intro before I went to work. So, you know, like, how the fuck do you forget to record your intro? Bear with me. I forgot. And I thought I was gonna be looking like snatched like I was earlier. I knew I wasn't, but in my head I was like, maybe you might be snatched when you get off work. No, they just stressed me out. The only thing that's snatched on my fucking face is these fucking eyebrows, okay, honey? Snatched. Okay. Oh, is that a little bit of highlight? Come through. I might still look decent, but I'm about to go to sleep, so watch my video. So what I usually do is I start off by doing my eyebrows. I brush them into place, honey. Yes, get them together. I use a dip brow brush from Anastasia, and I use a mascara that's called LASH Sensational by Maybelline. I really like this mascara to do my eyebrows because it's a little more liquidy. Well, it's a lot more liquidy than a dip brow. So I prefer using this mascara than the dip brow. And I like my eyebrows a little thicker. So instead of just going by the shape of my eyebrows like, you know, normal people would, I just make them a little thicker. So I would draw like a line right under my eyebrows and just make them a little thicker. And then, you know, brush that line just to blend it in. So then I would just repeat those same steps on the opposite side. And I usually just start from the end and work my way to the front of my eyebrow. That's usually how it goes. Remember, guys, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so they don't have to be exactly the same. But I fail to, you know, understand that. So I'm just gonna be trying to perfect these eyebrows. But yeah, eyebrows are sisters, honey, not twins. They're never gonna be the same. I'm just going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to conceal my eyebrows. So what concealing usually does is clean up anything like you've messed up when you were doing your eyebrows. It just gives you a perfect shape. You can perfect the shape that you want when you conceal. And then if you mess up when you conceal, just go back into your mascara or your dip brow and just fill in wherever you messed up. And I usually conceal top and bottom only because some people they just conceal on the bottom, but I like to conceal the top and bottom because I like to not only perfect the shape at the bottom, but perfect the shape at the top as well. I like to perfect my arch and get it like just the way I want it. So then I'm just going to go back in to my mascara, and I'm just going to fill in any spaces that I seem to have messed up, and just fix, you know, some little areas. Like I'm going to fix this end of my eyebrow, things like that. So then I'm going to take this blending brush. It's just a flat, stiff brush that I use to blend out the concealer that I just put under my eyebrows. So what I do is I go as close as I can to my eyebrows, and then I just pull the concealer down and then blend it out. Back of my brush and brush up my hairs, get them all in line, try to blend it in and stuff, and then I'm just going to go back into the mascara, you know, for the third time, because I have a problem with my eyebrows being perfect. And I'm just going to just, you know, try to perfect these eyebrows, okay? Period. Foundation, I'm using FENTY Beauty's Profilter in the shade 480, okay, for chocolate resistance. I really like this foundation. It's one of my favorite foundations. Before this foundation, I was using the Sephora brand foundation in their darker shade. And I like that foundation, but I like this foundation. I like the undertone of this foundation for me. It matches me a lot better than the Sephora brand. And I feel like, you know, she came out with a wide range of undertones for us melanated sisters. You know, she did her thing with this. And then I'm gonna go in again, you know, with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to conceal, highlight all my areas, bring some light back to this face, okay, honey? And I'm using this Real Techniques brush. It's a face brush. The brush I used for my foundation was a Real Techniques brush as well. I just really love these brushes. Either I use the Real Techniques brush or I'll use the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Either way, they get the job done. So then I'm going to bake with my Black Radiance setting powder. You know, I don't really bake. I usually just like set the stuff into my face. If I'm using my sponge, then I'll blend all this setting powder in. But with my brush, I just blend it in, you know, girl. Blend that stuff in. I don't usually bake or wipe away. I just try to blend it in. Set that under your eyes, get it together, okay, honey? Boom. And then I'm going to contour with FENTY Beauty's Matchsticks in the shade Espresso. It's like not too dark, but it's not, you know, spot on my skin color either. So I really like this matchstick. I really forgot to contour my chin. I like like to contour my chin sometimes because I have a dimple on my chin, and when I contour my chin, it just basically brings the dimple back to life. You can see it a little more. So then I'm going to begin highlighting with this matchstick in the shade Cinnamon. And honey, I knew y'all couldn't see because it would not focus. For some reason, this camera would not focus on the matchstick names. It would not focus at all. But yeah, so I'm just highlighting in the shade Cinnamon. And today I highlighted my eyes a little more only because I didn't want to do I didn't want to do eyeshadow on my eyes. But I wanted something there, so I just put the cinnamon on my eyes as well. Okay, get it together. So I'm just blending it out with this flat brush, you know, getting it together. And then I'm going to, you know, add to this highlight. I love me some trophy wife. You know, if you're dark skinned and you don't have trophy wife in your life, honey, you need to get some. Cause I love this stuff, you know. This is like the perfect highlight. Gold, okay, honey? So today I did go a little crazy with the highlight. I was feeling it today. I said, you know what, let me just highlight it all. Bring it all together. But it's okay, girl, because it's going to come all together. It is. Hit that mascara up on the eyes, honey. I just really hate wearing false eyelashes. I don't know, they just make my eyes really heavy, and they don't be staying on for me. I don't know why, but I have like long enough eyelashes, so I just put some mascara on there, pop some mascara on them lashes, girl. Get it together.
Just like what you make it. You gon' struggle for that shit, or you gon' go hard and go chase it. Hey, just like what you make it, my nigga. I was first to get the bag, I couldn't wait. Just like what you make it. You gon' struggle for that shit, or you gon' go hard and go chase it. Why you waiting? I was first to get the bag, I couldn't wait. I was impatient, I'm always gon' shine, I'm always gon' grind. My niggas don't see no real in his eye. I got a beast, gorilla inside. Fucking with me, I fuck up your pride. Fuck with my family, somebody gon' die. I don't play when it come to that shit. I go to war with these hammers and sticks. Holster on me so I don't lose no grip. Run up on me and I'm gon' bust your lip. I was raised on some medieval shit. Scorpio, so don't play with my bitch. Like my pops, I always keep a fifth. Got banana clips, but I do not slip. I go crash Bandicoot on the bitch. She getting kicked, she ain't bringing my strips. I need that raging caniac, bitch. She thinks she smarter, brainiac, bitch. Ha ha ha, ain't saving no bitch. I said fuck love and craving no bitch. I love my weed more than that trick. I love my money more than that bitch. Still got choppers, call them broomsticks. Niggas broke plotting, fuck that 2 cent. On the internet talking, never do shit. Pillow talking on to a bitch. Talking to the feds, then you a snitch, nigga. Hey, just like what you make it, or be no bitch. Just like what you make it. You gon' struggle for that shit, or you gon' go hard and gon' chase it. I was first to get the bag, I couldn't wait, I was impatient. I was first to get the bag, fuck. Get off your ass and get to a bag. It's plenty for us to grab, you ain't gotta act mad. Why you so busy hating? Look at all this cake. Since you always worried what the next man make. I'm on the road with these bitches, these riches I'ma win. But these funky ass blue strips my best friend. Niggas act tough, but it's only just pretend. I'm on